Sesa Strong Roots Hair Oil is best Ayurvedic hair oil for hair growth and hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Infused with banyan tree extracts, Sesa Strong Roots Hair Oil is a clinically proven oil that nourishes and strengthens hair. Its formulation revives weakening roots, repairs damage, and supports hair growth. Sesa Strong Roots Hair Oil comes with 26 rare herbs, 6 nourishing oils, and milk. Sesa Hair Oil prevents hair fall and supports growth, repairs hair damage. Sesa Strong Roots Hair Oil regimen has been crafted as an Ayurvedic combination that works in tandem to repair hair damage. This is the best Ayurvedic hair oil for hair growth and hair care. It has 26 rare herbs, clinically proven formulation of banyan tree, aloe, hibiscus, bhringraj, and other rare herbs, fights hair fall, repairs damage, and supports growth. 6 nourishing oils, clinically proven formulation of coconut, sesame, neeli, godhuma, mustard, and lemon oils nourish hair and strengthen roots from within. Certified 100% Ayurvedic hair oil. Crafted following a 22-hour-long and arduous process prescribed under ancient Ayurvedic Kashir Pak Vidhi. Allows easy and direct application to scalp for deeper oil penetration and nourishment of roots. Clinically proven Ayurvedic formulation of triphala and coconut oil revives weak roots, improves scalp health, strengthens hair from within. Clinically proven Ayurvedic formulation of banyan tree extracts, yashtimadhu, jatamasi, sesame and godhuma to prevent hair fall and thinning. Clinically proven gudal, bhringraj, neem and mustard repair hair damage, improve hair health, and support hair growth. Made using 5,000-year-old ancient Ayurvedic recipe of boiling herbs in milk for over 22 hours to naturally maximize efficacy and potency of the oil. Sesa Strong Roots Hair Oil is made out of natural Ayurvedic banyan extracts. It has strong anti-dandruff oil properties. Sesa Strong Roots Hair Oil is best Ayurvedic hair oil for hair growth and hair care. Use Sesa Strong Roots Hair Oil for strong and shine hair. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.